Hello, my gorgeous gems. I just came downstairs and did a little bit of exercise in this quarantine that we have right now. These are some garbage that I had started to declutter and to organize. And I said, you know what? Let me show you a before video and then I'll show you an after video. And I hope you all being safe in this quarantine, okay? And be wisely, as they say, okay? So I started this cupboard here, took everything out, which is laying all around in the kitchen. And as you can see, I opened up mostly all the cupboards and drawer that could be open right now without blocking each other. And it's a combination of 22 combined with drawers and cupboards. So, you know, that's a lot. So I'm gonna do my best to do this decluttering, because I'm telling you, beautiful people, my house is like a hoarded, and I'm not ashamed to say it. And that's one of the reasons why that's just one of the reasons why I stopped the video. But I'm getting ready to open back up my channel, so I hope y'all do subscribe. My old subscriber and my new subscriber come on board, okay? So I just love y'all so much, and I truly, truly miss y'all. And I can't wait to come back. One of my son friend came and gave me a little helping hand with the videoing, because I took so long to start it back that I have no clue what I'm doing. So I just really appreciate. So I'm going to start my decluttering. And I'm not going to do it the normal way like everybody does, because I personally don't like to watch people standing at the sink washing dishes, taking out stuff out their drawer, you know, and doing all of that in front of camera. Because listen, we all know how to declutter and organize and stuff. So what I will be doing is, when I finish my decluttering and organization, then I'll take another video, okay? All right, love, love. Just a quick review of all the stuff that I took out the cupboards. Well, I'm doing the top half right now. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm literally tired. Yeah, this is a lot of work, my gorgeous gems. And I caused it all on myself. So I'm organizing right now. So I'm only doing, well, this is one cabinet. So I'm doing all, see, I already started to put back some of the stuff in the cabinet. So this is only the top half, okay? And I'll show you some more soon. Okay, my gorgeous gem, I've did all the top cupboards, and this is what it's looking like after I finish organizing. I'm supposed to be having my denim and bling party this year, but I don't know. I got these to put some, you know, like strawberries or whatever on them, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to use them. So, and this is like my 3rd year canceling this thing. And in this cupboard is just basically everyday use, as far as my, you know, coffee cups and my little drinking glasses and stuff. And this one was given to me by my YouTuber Teresa, and it says Boss Lady. Yeah, she gave me that for Christmas with other gifts. And then we have up here that I switched around, because remember these were over here, and I switched them over here. It's just basically some you know, plates and stuff for decor. And then this cabinet, ooh, I think I did a fantastic job here. So on that bottom shelf, I put some, what did I put down there? Some wines and stuff that I've been, you know, people have been giving it to me and I haven't been using it. And then I have some glasses that I got from the Goodwill. I haven't hauled them yet, so I'll haul them soon. And this one is more like box stuff and my coffee and things like that on that shelf. And this shelf is like can and plastic on this side. And then I have seasonings that I use on a daily basis whenever I do cook. And then these are seasonings that basically it's not been open yet. So I didn't realize I had so much seasonings. So now I will be aiming to these drawers. I'm going to do the drawers next. So the drawers will be next, and then after the drawers I'll do the bottom cupboards. Okay, and I'll show you what that looked like. Okay, gorgeous Jen, I tell you, this is a lot of work. I just did the top. Now I'm doing all the drawers. And I mean, I have things in these drawers that, you know, you were supposed to have put away and they don't belong in the kitchen. And OMG, I should have been did this. But I'm getting to it. I know I don't want to hear it. It is a lot. So I'm going to do the best I can. Okay, so as you can see, all the drawers are empty. And I'm going to, after I do the drawers, I'll show it to you, and then I'll do the bottom cupboards. Okay? All right. Love, love.
My turn?
Hi, my gorgeous gem. Say hi.
Hi.
What else you got to tell them?
I love you too. It's been a long time.
Yes, YouTube, it's been a long time. I am getting ready to finish up doing what I have to do, and my grandson came over to spend a couple hours with me.
And I can go upstairs?
Yes, you could go. Yes, and I'm about to do some green plantains here. And I might show it to you. I'm going to do the video for the drawers that I just did because I was taking out the bottom one and then I realized, OMG, I forgot to show you what I did to the drawers. Okay? Now this one just has all my little appliance spoons and, you know, all kind of little stuff. And as you can see, I mean, it's not the best organization in this drawer, but it was just too much stuff for this drawer. And then I have my little foil papers and stuff in this one. And this one, I just keep a lot of pen and markers down here, so when I want to do anything real quick I could just reach for it. Now you could tell the difference in these drawers from when I showed you before I did my organizing, and they are looking much better. Now this drawer, I just have like my sponge and my air freshener stuff and my spray and I actually got these around Christmas time. I think it was from Bed Bath and Beyond, and they were like let me see, I know the price is on here somewhere. Yeah, it was $12.50. So I got this one here. And I think I got 3 or 4 of these. Because as you can see, there go one right there. Okay. Then I got my gloves.
Mama,
Yes.
I can get this up in bed.
Okay. And then this drawer just got more like tools and glue and tape measures and all kind of stuff in there.
Mama, you keep this
And then
up
this
in
one
bed.
don't have much of anything. See that? Much of nothing in that one. And this one just have some what's these called again? OMG. Coasters. And then I want to keep them in here, so I always remember that this is where I have them, because when I switch up stuff, I tend to forget where I put them, and you know, my fishing wire, so when I'm doing anything that I need them, at least I know they're right there. And as you could see, and then I got this for when I'm basting anything, you know, I just use this, and this is for my deep fryer right here. So as you can see, I started to take out the last section now, which is the bottom. Okay, so when I finish organizing these, I will come back and show you the finish. Okay, all right, love.
Yo, Mama, this one. Ow.
Look at my grandson, people. He's helping me taking out the stuff them out the cupboards while this pot is cooking, so I could get into it right away. And I forgot to tell you, in the pork chops, I do put pimento seed and in my rice. So I'm going to show you it right now. Y'all call it allspice, but we call it pimento. Okay. And then I'm going to put some battery exhaust.
Kobe White.
I just want to show you the mess that I made. I mean, this is like super crazy. I finally, this like on my third day, and I did empty all of the bottom ones for now. And these are the things I got out of them.
I'm about to leave now, so I might
See that?
go that way and pick them up.
And there's things that I remember looking for and couldn't find. Like this here, my baking pan.
Yeah, so
Okay, so
I might as well go that way.
I will be, oh boy, I'm so tired, annoyed, frustrated. But I'm gonna do my work. And because I'm trying to wait for my son to leave, so it seems like he's still here, so I just want to get this started. And you can see the total mess I made. Okay? Alright. Hello, finally. I finished organizing the bottom cupboard. I'm telling you, when you're not prepared to do this, do not take it on, because this was a lot of back-breaking work for me. So I'm starting with this shelf here. All I got on top is my rags that I use to clean with, because I do change them very often. And then I got some miscellaneous stuff on the bottom, like, you know, candle holders and, you know, stuff that I'm going to do a DIY with, or, you know, just a decor. And then, sorry, in this one, all I have in this one is just basically some of my champagne glasses and my bakeware and some more decor items. And then in this one, I just organized my cleaning supplies. And then in this one is basically my pots and my lids that I use on a regular basis whenever I'm cooking. And then on this one is just basically my containers that I mixed up my seasonings and my meats and stuff. And then I have a pressure cooker on the top that I have not used in decades, but I still keep it around just in case. So my gorgeous gems, I hope you enjoyed this organization with me. And it was a lot. Okay, so love.